with another banger. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin, BTC, USD. We're also going to be talking about what's going on with FTX, what's going on with Binance, and what should we be doing. So smash the like button and subscribe if you are new, coming with the news. I'll also have a lot of videos coming afterwards on Solana, Dogecoin, Ethereum, XRP, ApeCoin. So it'll be a lot of videos today. Just make sure you stay tuned. I'll give you guys levels on all of them. More importantly, I'm gonna give you guys support levels on them also. So smash the like button and let's get straight into it. So FTX is rocking the cryptocurrency world on right now, which is Tuesday, as one of the world's largest exchanges for digital currencies, which appeared to be on the verge of collapse, was bailed out by a major rival in a deal that underlined the principles of the industry's volatility. Now, FTX was supposed to be that guy, right? He was supposed to be the guy that was going to save the crypto market and never run out of money. But eventually, if you're bailing out other companies, as he did, he was giving money out and all this stuff, you're going to need money yourself, right? You're going to need money yourself. And that is what is happening now. So I guess a lot of people are fearful. They're trying to take their money out of FTX as it might be in danger, right? Because if they go down, you won't be able to get your money out, just like what happened with all the other crypto exchanges. So they're trying to prevent that from happening by doing a deal with Binance. Like Binance said, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange said that it had reached an agreement to buy its competitor FTX, which has struggled to meet a surge of withdrawal requests in recent days as the crypto market tweeted on the edge of another meltdown. That is why you see this here, big crash down on Bitcoin. This is also why I was telling you guys that I wasn't bullish on crypto markets. Okay, we're still bearish. I'm still expecting cryptos to go down. Now, that doesn't mean I'm not buying cryptos. I am slowly starting to build my position on these because I think we won't see these times for a while after the crypto market does start to go up, after all this stuff gets settled, because you got to remember all this stuff is literally temporary. But like I told you guys, I was still bearish on the crypto market. But that's why you're seeing this heavy pull down right here on Bitcoin and other cryptos that we will go over. Look at that. Crazy pull downs. Even that support level tried to hold, came to that support level here that we'll go over. But first, the size of the acquisition couldn't immediately be determined, but the privately held FTX has once been valued at $32 billion. Now, the only danger of this is, say Binance doesn't go through with it. What is FTX going to do? They're going to have to close all withdrawals. They're going to have to stop everybody from taking their money out, just as what happened months ago with the other crypto exchanges, and FTX was the one that helped them. So, very bad. Okay, not looking good, not looking good. Okay, is it time to sell everything? Is it time to sell your cryptos? I will let you guys know what I'm doing. Let's finish it. So the emergency deal, highlighted the persistent instability of the crypto market. This is why we need regulation. So this is why people are trying to go for regulation, like Mr. Wonderful trying to get regulation. I think the first one that will get regulation is Bitcoin, because you want Bitcoin to have more stable prices, right? You kind of want it to be more stable. Let's go out a little bit. You kind of want Bitcoin to be stable like this, right? Maybe start trending a little higher, something like this, right? So kind of start trending higher. Maybe it has a little down movement like this. But overall, the trajectory should be on the upside, but more stable, not crazy drops as we're getting now. That's why a lot of people want regulation, because it will actually be good for the crypto market, and not, we won't see this anymore. Okay, it'll be way more stabled out. So that's something else. Now, $32 billion crash was the last time that crypto industry had that horrible down movement that drained the savings of many amateur investors. That downturn destabilized some of the crypto's biggest firms, like we talked about. Though FTX was by far the largest casualty, it was widely regarded as among the most nimble and best-run firms until its finances started to unravel recently. Now, I feel like they just really gave out too much money to help other companies, which is good and bad, because now it's bad because now they don't have money for their own company. And I think people are trying to get out. You probably would be smart to get out of FTX, but me, I'm not selling any of my cryptos. I don't plan on selling them. I just plan on accumulating more, because I feel like this is going to be the biggest crash probably on crypto markets. And once it's done, because it is temporary, once it's done, we're going to have the biggest run on cryptocurrencies, and we probably won't see prices like on these for a while. Okay, many of the major crypto companies are inherently and fragile. Said, okay, so Bitcoin enterprise was critical, the rest, blah blah blah. Okay, so now we don't really need to go over it. I'll have more info coming soon, but the deal was announced as crypto markets, which have seen devastating losses this year, were on the brink of more panic. Reports have been circulating that FTX rested on shaky financial foundations. Many of his customers who use FTX to buy and store their digital currencies rushed to take their money out on Monday night, the crypto research firm reported. That's crazy, okay? That more than $500 million had flowed out of the platform over the previous 24 hours. And that is even going to get worse now that this is a big headline, now that there's more suspicion going on. It's going to be crazy, okay? Now, at one point on Tuesday, which is today, FTX stopped processing withdrawals altogether, according to the crypto research firm The Block. The exchange appeared to have to enter a liquidity crunch, meaning it lacked the funds to fulfill demand for withdrawals. That's exactly what happened last time. Exactly what happened last time with all the other cryptocurrency exchanges. This afternoon, FTX asked for our help, Mr. Rao said on Twitter, describing how Binance has struck the deal to buy FTX. He said that his company was planning to fully acquire FTX.com to help relieve the pressure on the exchange, but added that the agreement was non-binding, so it could not go through. Binance could pull out. If Binance pull out, everything will break loose. It will be no floor. The markets will crash in the crypto, especially if it doesn't go through. Okay. The only hope we have right now is Binance acquiring FTX. Now, the chief executive of FTX said on Twitter that the deal benefits the entire industry and would allow FTX to meet the surge of withdrawal requests. So it all goes on the deal. Okay. It all goes on the deal. More information coming soon. But for levels on BTC, we have one major level. Now, support at 19,700, that broke. So this is done. Okay. We don't need all these levels on our chart. Resistance level. Notice how, I want to show you something. Notice how when price broke, came to support level, it ran back up and did what? It hit that resistance level at 20,400 and then it had a bigger pull down. So resistance level has been hit. Now, this resistance level, done. We're going to take all this off. We do not want all this on our charts right now. We need to know where is support. That is the most key thing right now, is when do we find support after this drop? The support level we need to be looking out for is 17,000 on Bitcoin. Now, I remember I was telling you guys, I feel like we might find a support on Bitcoin. It's kind of a wide range from like 10,000 to 17,000. I feel that might be the range of a support on Bitcoin. So kind of watch out for that. But 17,000 is the main area I'm looking at for right now. Notice how we had that big drop. If we go down, I'll go to the 5-minute chart. Notice how we had that big drop, but right when it got down to about 17,117, it found some type of support there and it kind of started to trend higher. So what I plan on doing is I just plan on buying some more cryptos. I like to spread it out on different exchanges for these reasons, just in case your money get locked up on one, you have money on the other one and you can still do your thing. Okay. Always try not to have too much in one position where you feel uncomfortable. You don't want to feel uncomfortable holding something in a different exchange. So try to spread it out if you can. Again, not financial advice, just something that I do. And for right now, watch 17,000 on BTC USD. I'll be posting more videos as this kind of evolves and as price drops, or maybe price goes to the moon. We don't know yet. So 17,000, watch that. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to join the team. It's that first thing in the description to get all my buys and sells. And always remember, no recommendation to buy or sell anything, just for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. I will catch you guys in that next one. Bye.